Hello everyone. Today we start our practicals. That is, we learn about only a theory, okay? But how to display graphics, pictures. That is pixel, example pixel, line, circle, and etc. on the other object. Here is the first experiment number is programs to draw basic graphics object. Okay. So basically this is our screen, okay, this is our output screen. Okay, there are two types of the screen. First is the text mode screen and other is the graphics mode screen. Okay, so here in the text mode screen we only write the text over here, okay, and in graphics mode we only display the objects like circles, rectangles, lines, pixel, etc. Okay, so the text mode screen is divided into character positions. Screen is mapped as a number of rows and the number of column. Okay, here screen is divided into a pixel, that is this is the row. Okay, this is the horizontal place, that is x coordinates, and this one is the y coordinate. This in x coordinate there is a pixel in dots format. Okay, here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 pixel in a dot format. So the in the screen resolution, this is the screen resolution. Okay, screen resolution. Okay, so in text mode we only write the text, and in graphics mode we only display the graphics objects. Okay, so the graphics mode screen is divided into pixel. While the working in C programming language, default output mode is the text mode. To draw the graphics object on the screen display mode must be changed from text mode to graphics mode. Okay, so the default mode is the text mode, but in we draw the graphics object, we convert this text mode into a graphics mode. Okay, so we changed this text mode into a graphics mode. To change from the text mode to graphics mode, use the function. There is one function, that is wide init graph. Okay, this is the init graph function is used to convert the text mode into a graphics mode. So we pass the parameter in this function, that is the int GD graph, GD driver, and graphics mode. Okay, that is GD means graphics driver and the graphics mode. Okay, so this and here is path. Okay, here is the path where the where we store our graphics, that is this program is stores in a C, Turbo C3, and the BGI. BGI is the like the bin folder. Okay, so it works like a bin folder. In the BGI there are graphics drivers, and the graphics modes are installed in this BGI folder. Then we use this function, that is init graph, and after that we display our object. Okay, so init graph function is used to change from text mode to graphics mode. The graphics driver and the graphics mode, this is the graphics driver and the graphics mode are the parameters to these functions. Detect graph is there is another function, that is detect graph, and this function is used to find out the graphics driver and the graphics mode. Okay, so here is the we initialize this detector functions, that is I explain this. Let us discuss about this program. That is, we first include this include files, that is graphics h. Then another include is conio.h and the stdio.h, that is this is the header files. And graphics in every program there is a we include the graphics.h header file. In the graphics header files, there are all the graphics functions are installed in this graphics. Okay, in this header files. So the in every program we use this graphics.h, that is we first of all include the graphics.h, then also conio.h and standard input output stdio.h. Then after that we use the main function, that is void main, and we close this void main into a getCH function. Okay, in this we declare, in this we initialize the, first of all we initialize the our parameters, that is int gd is equal to detect, that is detect function is used to find out the graphics driver and the graphics mode. Okay, then the gd is equal to detect and gm is graphics mode. Then after that we initialize the graphics, that is init graph is used here access this graphics driver and the graphics mode. Okay, and we write the path over here in the init graph function. Then after that we use these functions, that is the predefined functions, put pixel, circle, rectangle. In this another functions, that is ellipse, out text xy and the line. Okay, we only discuss about these three functions, that is put pixel, circle and the rectangle function. So in the put pixel function there is a we first pass the parameters in this put pixel functions, that is we here is the x coordinate, y coordinate and the color of this pixel. Then x coordinate, our x coordinate is 25, then y coordinate is 50 and is color is here, that is displayed the pixel in a white color. Okay, then another function is the circle, that is we see over here. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, this circle which having a radius, and there is also a center of this circle. Okay, we first of all we find out the center of this circle. Here is the okay, here is the x and here is the y. We find out this center of this, that is xy coordinates. Okay, this distance is a 400 and this one is the only the 75 or 80 distance. Okay, this is the center of the circle. We only pass the parameters or only pass the numbers, that is whichever we have to display these circles and other objects. Okay, so we only write down these numbers, that is the x distance is 400 and the y distance is 75. Okay, so this is the center, and also we pass the another number, that is another parameter, another mathematics number, that is the radius of the circle. Only we not the xy coordinate is not sufficient to display the circle. We have to use, we need a radius of the circle. So we pass this also, we pass the radius of the circle, that is the radius is the 50. Okay, then after that the rectangle, here is the rectangle. Only we pass the left top and the right bottom parameters. Okay, left top parameter is the, here is the x and is a y. X and y coordinates of the left top coordinate and the right bottom coordinate, that is here is the x and y. Okay, this is the 340, 40 and 100. Then we close this program, that is getCH. Okay, so this is the basic these put pixel, circle and rectangle. Like that there is a ellipse. Okay, and the another function is the line. These are the predefined functions. Okay, by using this predefined function we get the object, we display the object in our output screen or output device. Okay, this is the here is the put pixel, that is pixel is drawn, then the rectangle and the circle of this. By using this circle function we draw here a circle. Okay, if any doubt in this please contact me, or you will also read a manual. Manual is sent to our WhatsApp group. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you.